Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about minimized DFA. That means we can reduce the number of states of the DFA. If two states are equivalent, then we have to consider it as a single state. We can group them as a single state. For example, if we want to check whether the states P and Q are equivalent, then for the input string W, both must go to final state. So here P and Q both are going to final state. So we normally we will check the string, whether the string is accepted or not accepted using extended transition function. So del cap of P comma W ends with F, then del cap of Q comma W also F. Or another condition is if P for the input string W, P is not going to the final state or P goes to non-final state, then Q also goes to non-final state. So either this condition or this condition are satisfied, then we can say that P and Q is a single state. We can say that P and Q are equivalent. So we have to consider PQ is a single state. So to check the equivalent states, first we have to consider the group phi naught. So phi naught is equal to, first we have to group all the final states and all the non-final states into groups. So initially we have to consider all the non-final states. So A, B, D, E, F, G and H. So all these 7 states are in one group and C is in another group, because state C is a final state, other states are non-final states. So initially we need to make a group like this, and then we have to give the group number 1 and 2. Now we have to draw the table. Here rows correspond to the input symbol zeros and ones, and columns correspond to the states. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Then from state A, 0 goes to B. From state A, 0 goes to B. Then we need to check the group number. B means it's group number 1. So from state A, 0 goes to 1. Then on input symbol 1, A goes to F. What is the group number of F? 1. Similarly, we have to find for all the states. From state B, 0 goes to G. G means group number 1. On input symbol 1, B goes to C. C means group number 2. On inputs 0, C goes to A, group number 1. On input symbol 1, C goes to C. So C means group number 2. Then from D, 0 goes to C, 2. 1 goes to G, 1. From E, 0 goes to H, it's group number 1. And 1 goes to F. So group number, F means group number 1. From F, 0 goes to 2, C. C means group number 2. Then from F, 1 goes to G. So 1. From G, 0 goes to G, group number 1. And 1 goes to E. E is also group number 1. Then from H, 0 goes to G. G means 1. From H, 1 goes to C, group number 2. So now we need to form group number 5-1, next group. That is, we have to check whether we can split this group into further. This is a partitioning method. So we have to check whether this group number 1 can be partitioned further. We cannot partition group number 2 further because this group has only one state. But we can further partition group number 1. So here, among all these 7 states, we have to check what are all the states are equivalent. That is, in the next step, A goes to 1 1. For the input symbol 0 it goes to 1. On input symbol 1 it goes to 1. So we have to check similar configuration in the other states. So 1 1 1 1 1 1. So A, E and G. A, E and G are in same group. A, E and G, because the meaning is these are equivalent in this step at after the initial step at 5 1, these three are equivalent. Okay, then B 1 2, the configuration is 1 2. The similar type of configuration is in C also, but C is a different group. We have to check whether the states in this group are having same configuration. So 1 2 1 2. So B and H are in same group. Then D and F 2 1 2 1. So D and F are in another group. Then C is a different group. So from this group, 7 states are splitted into 3 groups. This single group is splitted into 3 groups. Now we have to again give the group numbers. We have already there is no change in group number 2. So here also the group number is 2 only, but 1 is splitted into 3 groups. So we can give numbers from 3 4 5. So again we have to repeat the same. Rows correspond to zeros and ones. Columns correspond to states. Now we have to check the transitions. From state A, 0 goes to B. Group number of B is 4. B is in group number 4. That should be written here. Then from A, 1 goes to F. The group number for F is 5. Similarly, from B, 0 goes to G. That is 3. Then 1 goes to C is 2. Then from C, on input symbol 0, it goes to A, that is 3. Then 1 goes to C, 2. From D, 0 goes to C, means 2. Then 1 goes to G, 3. From E, 0 goes to H, 4. 1 goes to F, 5. From F, 0 goes to C, 1 goes to G, 3. From G, 0 goes to 3 and 1 goes to E. E means 3. From H, 0 goes to G, 3, 1 goes to C. C means 2. So now again we have to check whether this group can be partitioned into other groups or not. So this is 5 2. So we have to check A, E, G. A, E, G. The configurations. So out of A, E, G, A and E are having same 4 5 4 5. So for the input symbol 0, both A and E are going to 4 and 1 goes to 5 and 5 group number. So A and E are in single group. A and E are equivalent in this step. But G is a different group because it goes to 3 3. Then similarly we have to check whether B and H are partitioned into other group. So B, H, 3 2 3 2. So same. So both are equivalent, B and H. Then we have to check D and F. 2 3 2 3. So D and F are equivalent states. Then C, we cannot partition C into further group. So now the group number should start with 6. So AE is a different group. The group number is 6. Then G is 7. These 3 groups are same. So we have to give the same numbers. If we want, we can give other 8, 9, 10 also. Then we have to do the next step. So this should be repeated until we get the phi 2 is if we will get phi n is equivalent to phi n minus 1. That is, the two groups are similar. Okay, the the group newly formed is equivalent to the previous group, then we have to stop partitioning the states. Then we need to draw the final minimized DFA diagram. So in the next step, from A, 0 goes to B, means group number 4. 1 goes to, from A, 1 goes to F. So 5. B, 0 goes to G, 7. From B, 1 goes to C. C means group 2. From C, 0 goes to A, it's group number 6. 1 goes to C, it's group number 2. From D, 0 goes to C. C means group number 2. And from D, 1 goes to G, group number 7. Then from E, 0 goes to H, it's group number 4. From E, 1 goes to F, 5. Then from F, 0 goes to C, it's group number 2. 1 goes to G, 7. From G, 0 goes to G itself, so 7. 1 goes to E, 6. From H, 0 goes to G. G means group number 7. 7. Then from H, 1 goes to C. C means group number 2. So now 5, 3. We have to check whether these groups can be further partitioned. So A and E are having same configuration, 4, 5, 4, 5. So we cannot split AE into further. A and E are equivalent states. Then G is a single state group. Then BH, 7, 2, 7, 2. So B and H are equivalent. Then D and F, 2, 7, 2, 7. So D and F are also equivalent. Then C is a single state group. So here we can see that phi 3 is equivalent to phi 2. Okay, no more new states are new groups are generated. So phi 3 is similar to phi 2. So we have to stop partition the groups. Now we have to construct the minimal state DFA. So initially the DFA has 8 states, A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H, and now after partition we have only 5 groups. So our minimal state DFA, minimal DFA will have only 5 states. So the minimized DFA diagram is AE is a single group. So we have to consider AE as a single state, and A is a start state, because start state of the DFA is A and final state is C. So we have to consider AE, this group as a start state. Then from AE, 0 goes to, since A is a start state, we have to consider AE is a start state for the minimized DFA. Then we have to check the transitions. From A, 0 goes to B. So here AE is a single group. So we have to check both A and E. From A and E, from A, 0 goes to B, and from E, 0 goes to H, B and H. And BH is a single group, single state. So from A, 0 goes to B, and from E, 0 goes to H. So from this group, 0 goes to BH. Similarly, from A, 1 goes to F, from E also 1 goes to F. So we have to consider DF. Then from BH, B and H, from B 0 goes to G, from H 0 goes to G, and G is a different group. So from both B and H, 0 goes to G. Then from B and H, 1 goes to, from B 1 goes to C, from H also 1 goes to C. C is a different group and it's a final state. Then from G, 0 goes to G itself, 1 goes to E. E means it should go to AE because A and E are equivalent only. So it should go to AE. Then from D and F, we need to consider 0 transition. From D, 0 goes to C. From F also 0 goes to C. Then from D, 1 goes to G. F also goes to G. So from D and F, from F also 1 goes to G. So from D and F, 1 goes to G. Now consider C. From C, 0 goes to A. A means it's a AE group. It's a start state. From C, 0 goes to AE, and from C, 1 goes to C itself. Self transition. So this is the minimized DFA for the given DFA. So finally, initially the DFA has 8 states, and after reducing the number of states, the minimized DFA has only 5 states. Thank you.